Okay, we're rolling. The wiper switch is backwards. You turn it off and it goes on.
Oh, okay. At least it works.
Hey, what the f are you laughing at?
Don't sound like a Chevelle to me there.
Mike, show the top of your head. Yeah, it's fine.
Here, show the top of your
There
head.
you go. Again.
Here, while you're down there.
There you go. Oh,
Where's it? Où est le clé, monsieur rat? Yeah, they like this new ignition. They mounted it upside down.
really?
Pump it a couple times. Yep.
It's fine. Where'd your wipers work?
See, the wipers work. It's just backwards.
Yeah, the Chevelle is different. I got the reverse here.
Yeah, well, that's 4-speed. This is 5.
Mike, just remember the roads are wet. So
Yeah, that's okay. Hey, we got blizzards.
It handles so much better already.
Oh, man, I'm telling you, wait, holy I'm drowning here. If you go into reverse, go like first and then reverse, it just lines up the synchros. Yeah.
See that shake? You got
Yeah.
a shake to it?
No, that's a clutch chatter. You have to let it all the way out. It just, there's no clearance here, so it hits the it hits the thing there.
Because the Chevelle does the same.
Yeah, well,
Because it's a brand new clutch.
yeah, well, this is brand new clutch. I mean, when you're driving across Canada, you don't shift much.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Tilt if you don't like the
yeah.
angle. Oh.
Yeah, we're not gonna go far.
No, whatever. I don't care. I got a full tank of gas.
All this brake?
All this brake, man, you put you right through the window. Old man's car.
Beautiful.
Here, check out the brakes.
Really?
Yeah, try them.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'll put you right through the window, man.
I got four drums on the car right now.
Yeah, man, $6,000. What the fuck? I mean, it looks bone stock. It drives like a brand new car.
The bell, the suspension is 6,000?
Yep, 6,000 American. But still, when you carve some corners and corners like this, there's no roll, nothing.
It feels good, but it still feels like the old car, right?
Yeah, but the old car, you'd be off the road already. You know what I mean? 14-inch bias plies. There's zero body roll.
Like this. You're giving me ideas there.
Well, I like them to look stock. Right by these seats. You want to drive 6,000 miles, 10,000 miles with them.
These are nice seats.
$1,500, man. They were stiff for the first day or two, and after that, they're like brand new. Just wore in a bit.
327, not too bad.
Now what? It's stock. Because I got a 66 Impala. We just rebuilt it. Maybe it's 300 horse. So what do you got at the rear end? 250, whatever.
But
I'm 70 years old.
it's a good cruiser.
Yes, well that's what we're doing, 10,000 miles. And then you get overdrive and you lose 30%. Like you go from 3,000 to 2,000.
Perfect. That's what you want. Less
Right.
ride on gas.
Yeah, and we're running 3.36s for the ratio. I mean, I could run 3.55s, make it a little snappier, but this is a cruiser. We didn't even put it here. Keep pulling it forth, like keep going.
Oh yeah. I feel it.
It's not like any 64 you've ever driven.
Never drove one.
No. Then you're going across the prairies, 110K, 2,000 RPM.
Those tires,
They're good. Oh, they should be called Blizzak all seasons.
they're winter tires?
Yes. That's what I drove with it. They've already been across Canada and back on the big block. So I just put the rims and everything.
That's the ones?
Yes, same tires. But they still had 70% tread. I'm gonna burn them up. I won't be driving this car in the winter.
No.
No.
We'll turn around somewhere around here.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a good spot. Oh, you enjoying yourself doing your trip?
It's beautiful. You put the top down, look at the tan I'm getting. You just drive, drink, stop for a nice meal. I've been working 50 years.
Time for a break.
This is my bucket list. I'm driving across Canada and somebody else is paying. It's beautiful.
You got sponsors?
Yeah.
Pay that?
The car show where we're going in Fredericton.
Okay. They want you to be there.
Yep. Friend of yours?
Yeah, Raymond.
Oh yeah.
Raymond Vio.
Here, let's say back up.
Look at the traffic.
Hey! Que fais-tu?
I don't know if he knows you. He only watches TV. He might know you. Hey, Raymond.
Bonjour, monsieur. Ça va, ouais?
Do you know this guy? There you go.
Here I am with my car.
We're testing it out.
Test drive. I've been driving since BC. Somebody else's turn. Anyway, we're just doing a test drive.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Bruno. Bruno would like, yeah.
Yeah. Where's your phone? Where's your phone?
A few moments later.
We're just going to Montreal.
Yeah.
Well, first we gotta go pick up Mathieu. You know Mathieu? Shoe Chuck? Oh yeah, his father's Mark. Hockey player. Jouer au hockey.
Yeah.
Anyway, nice meeting you. Have a great day.
See you, Ray.
What?
Well, you know what? I was thinking about that. Every time you take a picture with somebody, they follow your page, right?
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
See, now you're driving like an old man. See? They're just...
I'm enjoying.
Yeah. Right? When you got 500-600 horse, you're wow, wow.
Exactly.
Right? This one, it doesn't do it. You gotta pass someone that does it, but it's not what it's built for. It's to drive.
Cruiser.
I put more miles on this car in 1 week than most people put on their cars in 2 years. Holy Well, I like these tires. My summers, I'd be off the road with the rain.
That's why I was kind of nervous to drive it right now.
No, they're good.
Loving it. I thank you a lot to put my name on. It helps.
Yeah, hey, not a problem. Not a problem, monsieur. Even though you're a tête carré. I love that word, squarehead.
So I might have to go see your garage at some point.
Yeah. Oh, it's a pigsty. But whatever. I just love old cars. I'm not a mechanic. I just like the cars, and I can afford to pay people to help me. I can do it myself. I mean, I'm not a mechanic. I can't build a motor, but I can put one in. I put in the tranny. I do the suspension. I can do the body work, but why should I when I can afford to pay somebody?
I don't rebuild engines. I don't do body work, but I do the rest.
Yeah.
But I'm by myself at the same time.
Yeah. But see how nice this handles?
That's why I'm just kind of enjoying it right now.
Yeah. And when you're in the corners, oh, beautiful. Like no roll, it's just like this. Wherever you point it, it goes. This same suspension is in Connor's car, exactly.
Okay.
Right? And his is 850 horse.
So if I put that in the 66,
it'll drive just like this. Just like this. They make one now for 30 grand, you just bolt the body on. But it's 30,000 American. It'll handle like a Z06 Camaro.
it's all beefed up.
Oh yeah, everything. Just bolt the body on, go.
30 grand today is...
It's nothing. People are spending 100 grand for a square body. Right?
Exactly.
Right? You spend 100 grand on something nice, and especially if you're doing all the work, it's all parts.
But see, I want to drive it. I want to.
Yes.
I want to drive the car.
Yes. Not look at it.
No. Right here. Boom.
Even on the rough roads, right? No problem. Probably figures we're dead.
Too bad there's someone following me right now.
My son, you've killed my son. Yeah.
Beautiful.
But anyway, it's like I said, it's cheap, right? I mean, by the time you redo all the original suspension, you're gonna spend $3-4 grand anyway.
So what do you got in it?
What?
In this car?
Uh,
I'll park it right in my driveway. How's that?
Yeah.
Leave it right here.
well, if you count,
No, back up and back up.
see, we got the suspension for free. I got the brakes for free, right? So that saved about 12 grand. So I probably, my cost, if I had to pay for everything, about 60, right?
Yeah, exactly. You
But-
put it in first, or?
Yep. Well, no e-brake.
There we go. Enjoyed it.
Thank you. He didn't want to come back. He just said, let's keep
Beautiful.
going.
Beautiful.
Nice, eh?
Yeah, I think that's what I want to get. I think it's gonna happen on the Chevelle.